Jesus, I come to you on behalf of your people. Father, for there is somebody out there who's been waiting on the manifestation of the promises that you made. But I believe that as Psalms 37 and 34 declares, that if we wait on you and keep your way, you shall exalt us to inherit the land that you promised. Father, for there is somebody in the waiting place, they feel like giving up because it seems that they're doing everything right, but nothing's happening. So Father, I prophesy now that in the next few seconds, the strength of God shall be released over the airways. Families shall be strengthened. Marriages shall be strengthened. Mothers and fathers shall be strengthened. The young people shall be strengthened. Strengthened to keep praying. Strengthened to keep fasting. Strengthened to keep sowing. Strengthened to say, I won't stop here, but I'm going to keep pressing until I see it. Strengthened to keep believing and increasing their faith. For I believe that faith produces miracles. And I stand as a prophet and a messenger of God. And I declare that your people will not give up. They will not give up on their ministries. They will not give up on their children. They will not give up on their marriages. But they will keep on fighting. They will keep on fighting. They will not back down and allow the enemy to steal what theirs. They will not give up because you said in Isaiah chapter 40 verse 31 that if they wait upon you, you shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. And I declare that they would not give up on the word that you've spoken over their lives, because you told them that you know the thoughts that you have towards your people, thoughts of peace and not of evil, and you shall give them an expected end.